Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video I'm going to go over how you could make £100 or $100 a day on YouTube. So this is real and it's not a scam. Lots of people don't think this is real, but it does and it works. So when some YouTubers post their videos, they can make it so it has Creative Commons, which means that other people can use that video and all they have to do is give credit to the original creator. How can you do it? Well, all you need to do is find videos that are Creative Commons, and to do this you search in YouTube what kind of video you're looking for, and then click the filter button at the top, and there is one that says Creative Commons, and all you need to do is click on it and the videos that show up can be used. Next, all you need to do is download the videos, and you can do this by searching it on the internet, and there will be lots of ways you can do it. Some of them you just put a link and it'll download, and other ones you can download softwares which download the YouTube videos for you. So you should download a few videos about one topic which you're going to make the final video about. Now you can put the videos into an editing software like iMovie or any video editing software you have, and use parts of each video to make a new one which you can post, and what you want is for it to go viral, and then you will gain subscribers and lots of views, and then you'll be able to get monetized and make money from it. Next, all you'd need to do is make more and more, then YouTube will pay you once you can get monetized, and if you're making viral videos you could be earning a lot of money from all the views they're getting. Your first video might not go viral, but if you keep doing it then you have a good chance of succeeding. A lot of people think you will get copyright for this, but you won't as long as you give credit to the original creator in the description of your video, and make sure that whoever's videos you're using in your final video, you give credit to them. Thank you for watching. Thanks for watching. I really hope you enjoyed the video and got some good knowledge from it. If you did enjoy the video, please leave a like, comment and subscribe for more.